Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that aims to simplify your cooking, especially if you're living in a dorm or a small apartment. We're talking about the Dezin Electric Hot Pot, a 2-liter sauté pan and noodle cooker that promises versatility and convenience. Let's break down what this little appliance can do. One of the standout features of this Dezin pot is its ability to sauté food, not just boil it. This is a significant upgrade from traditional electric pots that are often limited to just simmering or boiling. The non-stick coating, which they specify is food grade, means you can get a decent sear on a steak or cook up some fried rice without everything sticking to the bottom. They even include a silicone turner spatula in the package, which is a nice touch, making it clear they envision you doing more than just cooking ramen. This multifunctionality is a big draw, especially for those with limited kitchen space or appliances. Cleanup is often a major concern with any cookware, and the non-stick liner here aims to alleviate that. The slick coating is designed to make food slide right off, simplifying the cleaning process. Beyond just convenience, the non-stick material is also touted for promoting healthier cooking by reducing the need for excessive oil. They emphasize that the material is safe and toxin-free, even at high temperatures, and environmentally friendly. For anyone trying to eat healthier or just avoid scrubbing burnt-on food, this is a crucial aspect. Safety and control are also key features. The Dezin pot comes with built-in overheating protection and boil-dry protection, which are essential for any electric cooking appliance. This gives you peace of mind while it's in use. The temperature control function, offering 2 power settings, 250W and 600W, allows you to adjust the heat for different cooking tasks. The higher 600W setting means it heats up quickly, which is always appreciated when you're hungry. They really position this as a way to get an energy boost daily, implying it helps you get your meals ready faster. Storage and portability are other areas where this pot shines, especially for its target audience. With a 2-liter capacity, it's compact enough to fit easily into a cupboard or on a counter without taking up too much space. This makes it ideal for college dorm rooms, small apartments, or even for individuals who just prefer a smaller footprint in their kitchen. The portability aspect also means it's a good option for trips or picnics, offering a way to cook hot meals away from home. Finally, the Dezin Electric Hot Pot is presented as a great gift idea. Its combination of versatile cooking functions, an attractive design, and a charming color palette makes it appealing, particularly for younger individuals. If you're looking for a practical yet stylish gift for a student or someone setting up a new kitchen, this could be a solid contender. Now, let's talk pros and cons based on these details. On the pro side, the versatility is a major win. Being able to sauté as well as boil opens up a much wider range of meal possibilities than a standard electric cooker. The non-stick coating and ease of cleaning are also significant advantages. Safety features like overheating and boil-dry protection are standard but important. The compact size and portability are perfect for dorms and small spaces. And the inclusion of a spatula is a thoughtful bonus. However, there are a few potential cons to consider. While 2 liters is a decent capacity for 1 or 2 people, it might be a bit small for larger families or if you're entertaining. The power levels, while adjustable, might not be as powerful as a stovetop burner, potentially affecting cooking times for certain dishes. The sauté function, while present, might not achieve the same deep sear or caramelization as a traditional pan on a hot stove. And while it's marketed as versatile, the effectiveness of its sautéing capabilities compared to dedicated pans would need to be thoroughly tested. In conclusion, the Dezin Electric Hot Pot, 2L non-stick sauté pan, is a compelling option for anyone needing a compact, multifunctional cooking appliance. It excels in its ability to go beyond simple boiling, offering sautéing capabilities and ease of cleaning, all within a safe and portable design. It's particularly well suited for students, those in small living spaces, or anyone looking for a convenient way to prepare a variety of meals without a full stove. Link in the description.